In this video, I will show you how to install the Data Analysis ToolPak in Excel. First things first, open up Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. Next, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. A menu will appear on the left side. Select Options at the bottom of this menu. This will open up the Excel Options window. In this new window, you'll see several options listed on the left side. Click on Add-ins. Now look towards the right side where you'll find a section labeled Manage at the bottom. Ensure that it is set to Excel Add-ins. If it's not, click there and select Excel Add-ins from the drop-down menu. After confirming that it's set correctly, click on the Go button next to it. This action will bring up a new window titled Add-ins. In this Add-ins window, you'll see a list of available add-ins. Look for two specific options, Analysis ToolPak and Analysis ToolPak VBA. Put a checkmark next to both of these options. Once those are checked off, simply click OK. And just like that, you're done. To confirm that everything was installed correctly, navigate to the top ribbon and click on the Data tab. Here you should see a new option called Data Analysis. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.